So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So today, as we discussed in the Telegram group itself, I told clearly that the stock is facing resistance near the 57 rupees level and the stock also reacted accordingly. So morning, all the markets were in very good positive region. So few stocks have given some very good momentum. So suddenly in the afternoon session, we have seen a little bit of profit booking. So Nifty, which was trading in a very good green region, has suddenly entered into a red zone because of one major negative update that is related to lockdown. So Germany has imposed a full lockdown because of the rise in COVID cases. So on that particular note, we have seen a sharp fall in the market and it has went down almost around 0.7% downfall. So nothing to worry. So just it's an update related to a lockdown. So obviously whatever the correction we have seen since the last two sessions and again reversal was mainly because of this particular negative update. Okay, so furthermore correction may happen. So as I told, don't try to do any bulk investment. So previous videos also clearly I mentioned that, and only try to invest in some very good stocks in small portions. So today we'll try to find out what would be the next possible levels. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to observe the weekly chart of Subex, so we can clearly see in weekly chart whatever the levels we have drawn. So first we have discussed all the support levels, which was somewhere around 50 rupees. So clearly I mentioned, so if it is crossing the 50 and if it's giving a closing, you can go for a buying, and with targets of 60 plus. So but in between we have a resistance as well. So what was that resistance? 57 rupees level was a very strong resistance, 57.50. So today also almost approaching that region, we have seen a little bit of sell off. So obviously many stocks have come down, as I told. So few have remained in the green region, so few have come down. So there may be some, okay, as I told, negative update was there, so that completely impacted the stocks. So still that 57.5 rupees level will act as a resistive region. So unless and until it closes above that zone, we can't expect the stock to travel above 65 rupees level. So obviously it depends upon market condition. So if market is facing little bit of profit booking, so obviously all the stocks will come down. So wait for the right entry. And what is the support wise? Support is always going to be the 50 rupees level. So this particular zone 50 and 57 is going to be very important. So keep that in radar. Okay, so next moving further towards daily chart. So in daily chart as well, we can see today after touching that 57.5 rupees, almost it has went above that. But again, as I told, a wick has been formed, which indicates a little bit of sell off. But important thing is it is almost still above the 55 rupees level. So it has not gone below that. So 55 also is a very good support for the company. So unless and until it doesn't break 55, we can't expect the stock again to touch the 50 rupees level. So focus all the levels. So if you understand levels, so obviously you will also understand when to enter, when to exit. So everything would be simplified. So now, as I told, it is above 55, so you can expect if it breaks that 57, it will travel above 60 rupees level. So don't have any bulk investments. So I'm clearly mentioning again and again. So if you want to take risk, put only in small portions. And money flow index is near 83, so slightly overbought region. And whatever happens depends on market. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.